the channel. How are you all doing? So as you can see, this is a box here. So that means this is our first unboxing video on the channel, okay? So I'm excited because I've never done this before, and if you are too, then smash the like button on this video right now. And also YouTube tells me that 54% of you guys watching my videos aren't subscribed. That's bad. So I'm talking to those 54% of the people. Subscribe right now. There's a button down below in front of my name. Hit that right now. So that button, it says subscribe, and hit that and you'll be supporting me. And let's get into it, guys. Okay, so this is a G-Shock GA-700CM-3ADR. So just look at this front box. Look at this side, this side, this side, and this side, and back. Okay, so I open the lid here. I take these sides, and here are some paper thingies. I'm just gonna keep them aside. So we take this off, and you can see here. So when I take this paper thingies out, there's nothing here. So I take this out, and then we have the box with its price tag. Keep that aside, and let's take the box out itself. So there's nothing inside the paper box. So now we're left with a metal box and papers and the price tag. So let's keep the metal box aside and the price tag aside. So let's start with, the first is the international warranty. So it's got a card here. It's a plastic card, nice quality, looks cool. Then we have a booklet here, and this all comes in like a plastic holder. Then we have this, which is country specific only. So I'm in India, so this isn't valid in India only. It's going to be different depending on each country. So this says 6 months extended warranty, and this is also only in India, depends on each country. And this is a manual, user manual. It comes standard with every G-Shock, different in every G-Shock based on the watch itself. So this is for my watch. So we have the box, the metal box, standard G-Shock. See that? The G-Shock water resistant 20 bar, shock resist, since 1983, everything's there. It's a nice G-Shock logo there. And we have the sides, look at the beauty. And yeah, so that's the box. So now I open the lid. That's the lid. Okay, keep the lid aside. Then I have this foam circle on top. Oh, nice, that's nice, protecting the watch. Then you have the watch itself in a polythene bag. So let's take the watch out. Let's keep it aside now. So you can see there's nothing else in the box. That's it. Keep the box aside. This is it, boys. This is the watch. So let me take it out of the polythene. It looks beautiful in the polythene too. I'm super excited for this. And there it is. The big reveal. This looks awesome. Just look at the camo. Okay, I'm gonna take the middle foam out. Poof. I actually put it in the box. That was a nice picture. Okay, so you can see it. It's got the camo around. It's got analog. It's got a little dial here to show you which mode you're on. Stopwatch, alarm, world time, and timer. It's got Casio order resistant written there. This thing tells you whether the alarms are on or not, and this is the second counter, and here is where the timer and everything, the main thing happens. So this is it. It's got an illuminator button down below. Illumination isn't that good, but let me turn the light off it. Illumination isn't that good, but it's gonna work. You can see the dials. You can see the analog though. And it's got a standard 4 round buttons on the side. Look at it from the side. Looks nice, looks nice. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna just wear it and show you guys. Yes, I wear it on the right for some reason. And you can see here, my hand is weird. So yeah, it looks nice. So this is it, boys. This is the review of the G-Shock GA-700CM-3ADR. Hope you have enjoyed it. This is a lovely watch, and it can fit anyone who is about to become 12 years old, and boys, and I think someone who is like 12-year-old in girls. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I'm a boy, so I only know what boys. If you're about to become 12, this is gonna fit you perfectly. So this is my review for the Casio G-Shock GA-700CM-3ADR military green camo. It's awesome watch, hardcore. And that's it for today's review, guys. The G-Shock review. It was a G-Shock review today. If you want more of these unboxings, then all you gotta do is write down in the comments if you want more of these unboxings. I'll give you more unboxings. And that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy. Till then, I'll be signing off. Bye bye.